Hey, what's poppin', you guys? Okay, so today I have a super exciting video for you guys. I got sponsored by the one and only Fabfitfun. Fabfitfun ended up sending me their box for this spring season, so I'm very excited to test it out and try it out for you guys. And yeah, y'all. Okay, so I'm super excited to open up this box. I love the box for it because my birthday was literally in December, so like, you know what I mean, like, I don't know, I just really love like the little cake moments that they like put all over of it. I also have a code with Fabfitfun actually, so I will be leaving that code down below and I will also put it up on the screen right now.
Don't forget to use my code SUNSHINE20 to get your first season box for only $47.99. Again, my code is SUNSHINE20 to get your first season box for only $47.99. Look as happy as the girls in the campaign.
So make sure to use my code and get money off of your first order with Fabfitfun. Okay, so let us open the box. So this is super exciting. I'm super excited. I love like how it's packaged and everything. It's super cute, super fancy. If you guys don't know, Fabfitfun is a quarterly box. You get it once every 3 months, if I'm not mistaken, or once every season. And it's really cool. You get a bunch of fun, exciting, like little like beauty products, or you also can get jewelry. You can get a lot of different things from Fabfitfun. And it's essentially randomized for each customer. I'm pretty sure you can like pick out some of the stuff that you want to get, like in the very beginning of like the box process, if that makes sense. Like I'm pretty sure before they send it out, like before they send out your quarterly box, I'm pretty sure they send you an email like asking if you would want anything specific in the box, and then like they'll send out your box. But everything that's in this box I picked out because I had that, you know, I had that privilege of being able to pick everything out. So everything that's in this box I ended up picking out, but it is from the Fabfitfun, you know, thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can get this from Fabfitfun is what I'm trying to fucking say. So, okay. So the first thing that I ended up getting is this Beauty Sleep Overnight Lip Mask from NCLA Beauty. It is in the flavor Birthday Cake. Let me see if it's gonna focus. As you can see, it's in the flavor Birthday Cake. Super freaking cute. Okay. Let me, oh, whoop, I already ripped up the box because I have nails on. So let me open this box and see. Beauty Sleep Mask. So I'm gonna put this on my lips are always so chapped because I live outside. So my lips are always really cold and chapped, and like they don't, you know, smell right. I mean, they don't feel right. This smells good. It doesn't really smell like cake per se. I feel like it smells more like the idea of cake, but it doesn't smell like actual cake. But I am excited to freaking try this out. I really do always have chapped lips, so it's like, this is gonna be a game changer for me because this is gonna, you know, make my lips not so freaking chapped. So I'm very excited about that. Next, what we have is this clean and effective Tula Skincare Balanced Skincare Brightening Treatment Drops, and it's a triple C serum from Tula. And if I'm not mistaken, Tula is actually like a very expensive brand, you know what I mean? Like, it's actually a very expensive like skincare brand. So these are brightening treatment drops. So I'm pretty sure you're supposed to do this at night, because if you do it in the morning, it can actually fuck up your skin. Like, you're not supposed to go out into direct sunlight after fucking dropping this shit. So unless you put on like sunscreen or something. But this triple C serum, zero sticky residue, brightening dull skin, even tone, and helps reduce the look of dark spots. Twist, dispense 2 to 3 drops and massage into clean, dry face. Use AM and PM. Triple C serum. Here it is. It has probiotics and superfoods. Helps improve skin smoothness, help maintain skin balance, brightens, and helps reduce the looks of dark spots, and helps even skin tone. Does not contain like cultures. So, it doesn't have like, this is not like kombucha, you know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't have like stuff in it. But it looks really cute, really fancy. Very excited to try it out. Very excited to try it out. Unleash your glow, Tula. Look at that. But yeah, so I'm very excited to try this out. I ended up picking it out because I know I don't have any like dark spots on my face, but I do on my inner thighs. And I know that this is technically like face skincare, but I like to believe that if it's skincare, it's skincare, honey. If it works on skin, it works on skin. So like, you know what I mean? Like, so I'm going to probably use this like in the inner parts of my thighs and see if it works for that, because if it's going to help for dark spots, it better help those dark spots too. So I'm going to, you know, use that under there. Anyways, the next thing that I got is this Vince Camuto necklace slash collier. And it is in this little pouch right here. Let me open it up. Here it is in this little pouch. Like that. And then you open up the little pouch and there's your necklace. And it is a very cute necklace. I'm not going to lie. I picked it out because I always need jewelry. And I always want new jewelry. And I always want, you know, I always want necklaces and like things like that. You know, freaking earrings, bracelets, all of the above. So I got myself this necklace, or I picked out this necklace. And it's a very, very pretty necklace, girl. Like that looks fucking fancy as fuck. I don't know if I'm going to wear it tonight because I don't want anybody to steal it. Because it honestly looks really fucking fancy. So I'm going to put this away. Putting this back in the little pouch. Closing up that little pouch. And putting that away. But that is actually really, really cute. I really, really like that. And the other things that I got. Right. I also got these Glamnetic reusable press-on nails. So I'm very excited to try these out as well. I've heard really good things about Glamnetic nails, and I've always really wanted to try out like their stuff. I still really want to try out their lashes. I just haven't bitten the bullet and spent $50 on a pair of lashes yet. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just not ready to do that yet, so I haven't done that yet. But I was really excited to be able to try out their nails at least, because I have seen the commercials for it, and apparently these nails really get stuck onto your freaking nail bed. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to try out these Glamnetic nails. But these nails just weren't the look for today, you know what I mean? Like, I wanted to be bright. I wanted to be, you know, loud. You know what I'm saying? So, those were not the vibe for today. But I'm very excited to try them out. They look really cute. They look pretty nice. But, okay. Next thing that I got this Clean Stylers Root Lift Volume RECIVE. And it is by Fakai. And it looks like this. It looks like sea moss. It looks like sea green sea moss. Like, it looks like ocean water. And it's a non-sticky volumizing root spray that encourages fullness with biotin and tripeptide. Thickens and gives long-lasting lift with flexible and reactive polymers. Provides thermal protection up to 450 degrees. Shake well before use. Spray directly onto the roots on damp hair. Rub in with fingertips. Style hair as desired. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this out. I want to try this out for my hair, because especially because I've been, as you guys know, I've been straightening my bangs. So like, I really need like a heat protectant for this shit, because like I keep straightening my bangs, keep straightening my bangs. And so like, I'm going to need heat protectant at some point. So I'm going to start using this heat protectant for my bangs. So I'm very excited about that. And then lastly, the last thing I got in the box, which I'm also very excited about, I actually got this in preparation for future videos. And I'm really, really excited for this. I got a super cute, super chic lunch backpack. So it is by June Shine. Oh, it's by June Shine. That freaking company that works with Cody Co. Oh, that's so cool. So it's by June Shine. Oh, I did not know that. Okay. So it's by June Shine, and it's this really cute little bag. And I'm assuming it's meant for alcoholics, because June Shine is an alcoholic beverage. So I'm assuming it's meant for alcoholics to put their fucking their alcohol in here, so I don't get, you know, warm when they go out on their little adventures. But I'm gonna use it for like mukbangs and stuff. or like picnics and stuff. So like I can take you guys along with me. I can like put my tripod in here, and I can put the food in here, and I can fit everything in here that I need to fit in there. And I know it's technically only meant for food, but I want to put the tripod in here. I don't give a fuck. So I can put the stuff in here that I need to put in here, and then go wherever I need to go, and I can film a mukbang for you guys. It is really cool. It also has this little paper in here. Juneshine is on a mission to brew honest alcohol for the healthier planet, because you deserve to know just as much about the alcohol you drink as the food you eat. Since 2018, we've been brewing hard kombucha that's insanely delicious, low in sugar, and made with real ingredients. Then Juneshine Sprints joined the mix in 2022 classic canned cocktails with a modern twist and crafted with premium award-winning spritz. So there's Miss Juneshine's picture thing. But yeah, I'm really excited for this. I'm really excited for this little bag. It is so cute, it's so chic, and I'm excited to use it for like mukbangs or like picnics and stuff, so I can like go to different parts of San Diego and like film myself in those different parts of San Diego. Like I feel like this backpack is really going to do that for me. So I'm very excited about that. But that is everything from the Fabfitfun box. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And someone just killed someone, so I am going to go. But I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for having fun sending me this box. And don't forget to use my coupon code. It is in the description box, and it is also up here on the screen. Okay, anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Love you guys!